Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to upgrade and mod this Game Boy Color. Yeah, I already changed the housing, as you can see. It's this nice wood grain. And today I want to mod it with a new LCD display. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So I bought this mod kit from retroreiz.de. It's a German retro store. So I ordered not the complete mod kit, but only the display and the new screen bezel, I think it's called. So let's see what we've got in this little package here. This video is not sponsored, so I bought this for myself. So that's glass screen bezel, and in here that's the display. So first things first, let's disassemble the Game Boy. So now we remove the old screen. So first I install the screen and see if it works. And then I think I have to do some modifications to the housing here. I have to solder a wire from here to here. So I pre-tin this. A little bit of flux here. So I give it a quick test with the bench power supply. That is looking really great. Okay. So now I have to cut the housing. I put a link in the description with the step-by-step instruction. So yeah, I do this now and I show you when I'm finished. So now I trim the housing. I only used my crafting knife. I changed the blade, I think 2 times. That is really sharp, so I didn't want to use sandpaper or anything because the dust would be everywhere and the abrasives. So yeah, I had to cut quite a little bit here and a little bit of the screen because the new one is bigger. So the next thing you have to do is you have to cut here. You see these protrude quite a bit, and so we have to cut those down. So I use my flush cutter for this. So now we have to solder 2 more things. It's here, start and select. And here are 2 points on the board. Yeah, we have to solder this. So I solder the 2 wires here on the board. And now I have to solder them here. And start and select. So the bottom one is select. And the top one is start. Let's fold this together. So now I have it back together, and now let's do the final test. Let's turn it on. working. Here should be the touch button for the brightness. So, looks really good. Let's put a game in. Tetris DX. Oh, look at that. Wow. That is really nice. Vibrant colors. Yeah. So I really think this is a great mod. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye!